Travis Scott pictured jet skiing with daughter Stormi in St. Tropez following Cannes, France melee with Tyga, as both musical artists formerly dated Kylie Jenner. Travis Scott appeared to be decompressing with family in St. Tropez as he was pictured with his daughter Stormi and son Aire on a boat on Tuesday. The Houston native, 32, enjoyed sun and water in the luxe French commune with his 6-year-old daughter and son Aire, 2, just days after he was involved in a skirmish with his baby mama Kylie Jenner's ex Tyga, 34, in Cannes this past Friday.